Easy. Be quiet. I'm a pariwo. Akinde.
But I'm kidding. We are your neighbors. We are your neighbors. But I'm not talking. Kò sí anybody tí a máa ń rí. In fact, ó máa ń ṣe pé àsun ìta mójúlé nìgan. Ó ṣeé ṣe ká má fojú kan yín. Madam Ejo, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gbogbo nílé yìí? What's happening?
Keep your voice down. Ejo ẹ má kó bá mi. Ṣé yín ò ka ìwé agreement ọwọ́ yín? Ṣé ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ja ogun tí yín nílé yín? Bẹ́ẹ̀ làwa náà ja ogun tiwa nílé tiwa. Ṣé yín bẹ́ẹ̀? Ejo jẹ́ kó ní kálukú ja ogun ẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ẹ má kó bá mi o. Ṣé rí landlady lé? Won't allow anybody, our neighbors come and interact with the round. What we agreement over me?
Boy, dúró. Jọ ẹ kàn jẹ́ ká mọ́ra wa. Ṣé ní bẹ́ ṣe wè mí? Yéwándé lórúkọ.
Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Mi ìfẹ́ mọ̀ yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Kò necessary ká mọ́ra wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Kò sí kó tá fẹ́ fi mí mọ́ra wa ṣe. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ lọ ka ìwé agreement over yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Kẹ́ bá wọn sọ wọn dáhùn.
Babe, you know what? I think the first thing we should do right now is to leave this place. Okay? Jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Boradio. I'm very sure that when we get there, we'll be able to sort this out.
What are you saying? Now, what have I been local to takú tí ó ṣiṣẹ́ ni?
Hey, babe, we should just order a ride or something. Jẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ kọ́ mi báyìí náà.
Let's freshen up.
Jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ kọ́ mi báyìí náà.
Let's freshen up.
Mr. Mrs. Oniyide, ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ ń jáde ni.
Don't even ask us any stupid questions.
Sir, you don't have to snap at me. You don't have to yell. Everything just has to happen. According to the rules and regulations, ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ò lè jáde kúrò nínú ilé lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. Yes, èèyàn kan lè jáde dó, ṣùgbọ́n ẹnìkejì máa wà nínú ilé. Ifo kò jẹ́ ẹ̀yin àtàwọn ọmọ yín lẹ́jọ́ ń gbélé gan. Gbogbo yín ò lè tán nílé lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. Èèyàn kan gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹ́kù sílé at any given time.
Says who?
Says the agreement. Ẹ lọ ka agreement ta fún yín. Tá dẹ̀ phone tell you.
You know what? Before now, I thought only your mother was crazy. But I can see that you have equally gone bonkers. What nonsense!